This one got hiccups right here. The little runt of litter. Look. There's some cute little hiccups going. There's 3. Oh. One's down here also. Oh. Are you okay down there? Yeah. Oh gosh. You guys are just all over the place. Mama and Grandma still. Grandma has not left them yet. She's been here since they've been born.